Hey guys, wanted to take a sec to do a video of my true commercial freezer. It's 8 cubic foot. That way you know everything's working perfect on it. So when you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to list my items. It's got 4 shelves and essentially 5 spots with the bottom there for you to store all your stuff. Those shelves are adjustable, so if you'd like more space than that, they're kind of set up for almost like a cup's distance there. And you can crank the thermostat up if you want and use it more like a cooler. Your drinks would be awfully cold though, which might be great for, beer and stuff like that. But before I go fanning the door, you can see we're sitting just below -10. That's on full blast. We've got the frozen water bottles there, and I'll open this up and show you. Frozen water in there. Everything's nice and clean, excellent condition. The light is really, like I said, if you're going to crank the temp up and use it more for like drinks, the light's pretty cool. But right now at this level of coldness, you really wouldn't want to turn it on. It might raise the temperature a little bit. So I just leave it off, but it does work, and you can see that in the pictures too. And that frosting goes away just in a sec when it jumps back down to temp. But there you go. Now you know everything on it works perfect. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and I do appreciate you taking time to watch my video.